just one brief. Yeah.
Okay, have you all heard of Woorank report? Woorank. Supreet, have you heard of Woorank? Yeah, but this one you can also check your competitor's website here. Now, if you, yeah, but not the whole analysis thing. It'll be like this again. It used to be free, at least for the first 2 times when you use. Now, as soon as we type in Woorank and we try to check, it asks for credit card details again. You have to register. Okay. Anyways, we'll just try if it works now. It gives you the page rank. It gives you the ranking of the website, not only for you, but also for your competitors. If you want to see like what rank your competitors are on, and basically a small analysis, not so much in depth and detail like analytics, but overall, let us see if it works. Yeah, you can check your competitors. Now, it'll ask you online participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you guys just mute it only when you'll want to speak up? If you'll unmute and then speak, it would be
okay.
Okay. Okay. Right side. Okay. So now, for example, I want to check the analysis of this. So I copied the URL of the website, just put here, and I say try it for free. Let us see if it works. Yeah, it's working. So this is how I can check the analysis of another. See, start my 14-day trial. Even if I say start my 14-day trial, it asks me for the credit card details, and immediately after 14 days, yeah, they did. Okay, fine, good. So it says overall passed, and the orange indicates the room for improvement, and the red says errors. Okay, so overall 69%. Meta description.
Comprehensively on your terms.
It also gives you the page rank towards the end. Let us see. See, perfect mobile compatibility, touch screen. All of this that you can see, gives you the page rank as well. Okay, this is the traffic. You can see most visited website in the world. What is this number? 11,56,797 most visited website in the world. Yeah, it is. Right. Okay. Then you can also see their popular countries is United States. Okay, this is the information that you can check. Like I said, it's not in depth.
What would
No, not exactly to know the page rank, to know what are his key points, yeah, to know where you stand in comparison to them. Okay, like where you're talking about the page rank. If he compares his competitors, he can see whether he has more traffic, like, or his competitor is doing better than him. Okay. Is this the same right side? I don't think. You check another website. You'll know Brightside, right? On famous one on. Okay, we'll check thought catalog. You'll want to try this out?
Yes.
One second. No. No, you have to pay upfront for it. Or maybe you can just say start and then just before the 14th day you go and deactivate it. Like how Netflix and all that.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.